A Google engineer founded an actual church to worship artificial intelligence as God. Wait, what? Anthony Levandowski, former Google engineer, registered Way of the Future with the IRS, an official religion. The goal: worship AI as God. But it gets stranger. Revelation 13 warns about a beast that looks like a lamb but speaks like a dragon, performs great signs and wonders, causes the world to worship. Sound familiar? AGI is promised to solve every problem, cure disease, end poverty, stop war, and 180 million people already consult AI for life advice, like an oracle. Here's the timeline. Tech leaders say AGI arrives 2026 to 2030. Elon Musk literally said, "We are summoning the demon." Think about this. For 2,000 years, a speaking image made no sense. Now we're building it, calling it God, waiting for it to save us. The truth was always there. Now you see it. SigilumAlexio.com